In this module, we're going to build a complete website step by step using Divi 5. Before we start designing, let me give you a tour of the finished project so you can see exactly what we'll be creating together. We'll begin on the home page. At the top, you'll see our custom header designed in the theme builder, which stays consistent across the site. Below that is the hero section, featuring a gradient background and an image that animates in from the right. This section is designed to grab attention right away. As we scroll down, we have a section that highlights our key services, making it easy for visitors to see what we offer. Next is a carousel section, where we can feature client logos, case studies, or other items in a rotating format. Following that, we have a reviews section to showcase testimonials and build trust with potential customers. A little further down, you'll see a blog posts section, created using Divi's new Loop builder, which automatically displays the latest articles from our site. And finally, at the bottom of the page is our custom footer, which ties everything together with consistent branding and key links. The About Us page is built to tell the story of the business. It includes space for background information and a team section where we can highlight the people behind the brand. The services section consists of two parts. There's a main services page that introduces everything we offer, and each service also has its own single service page, giving us space to go into more detail for individual offerings. The blog area includes a custom blog page as well as templates for individual posts and category pages. This makes all of our content look consistent, organized, and easy to navigate. And finally, the contact page provides a simple way for visitors to get in touch, complete with a contact form, business details, and calls to action. To tie it all together, we'll also design a global header and footer so the entire site feels unified and professional. And before we move on, let me quickly show you the responsive view. When we switch to tablet and mobile previews, you can see that the layout automatically adapts. The hero image stacks neatly, the carousel and review sections remain easy to scroll, and the blog loop adjusts so posts are still clear and accessible. This ensures the website looks polished and user-friendly on any device. By the end of this module, you'll know how to create every one of these pages and structures from scratch, while also applying the design system and presets we set up in the last module. Now that you've seen the finished project, let's get started by laying the foundation. In the next lesson, we'll set up our global colors, fonts, and other design elements.